Yeah, today I'm going to show you this supercapacitor jump starter. Brand is roar pedal, 12 volts of course, and we have a whopping 1000 amps. So it actually sounds like a lot of power, and it is a lot of power. It's absolutely amazing, I can tell you. This device has the capacity to charge pretty much all sizes of gas engines and diesel engines. It's so powerful. Yeah, supercapacitor jump starters. Is it actually a new thing? No, it's not. They have been around for almost 100 years, but usually only for military applications or for devices which are super expensive because they were so difficult to produce. And now finally we have them ready for normal consumer market, and they are definitely a huge improvement compared to the normal lithium-ion jump starters. Of course, we have some small disadvantages because they do not have their own charge, so we cannot use them as a power bank to charge our phones or so, or use them as flashlights or tire inflator or whatsoever. But when we need fast availability, absolutely awesome reliability, for example even in super hot or super cold weather, then it does only work with such supercapacitor jump starters. And here we don't have to be worried that we have to recharge them every now and then to keep them alive. We don't have to be worried about transportation, not even in an airplane. And we have a much longer lifespan. Such devices can be recharged hundreds of thousands of times usually. So let's take it out of the box, see what we get and how we can use it. And so here we go. Nicely protected. Of course, it's a little bit a larger device compared to normal lithium-ion jump starter, but still they have made it really small compared to the old ones. And here, of course, we get also the user manual, and down here we get some accessories. We get this nice storage and carry bag. We get the attachment clamps to the car. We get the USB charging cable. We get the 12-volt car port charging cable and the instructions manual. Here you can also see the model type, and instructions are actually super simple, but I'm going to show and explain you everything anyway. And so everything is nicely protected under this cover here. And so what we do, we connect this EC8 plug here and then connect these clamps to the battery, black one to the minus, red one to the plus. And then the jump starter will charge automatically. Just make sure that the plug is really deep inside. It has quite some resistance. And so I have it here in my car, connecting the minus here in the back. And here also the plus, can use this one here. And so it definitely says charging. So let's wait for a little bit till it's fully charged. And so it didn't take too long. I heard a beeping and now it says power on, 15 volts, 100% charge. And so what I have to do, I have to press this button here. You can't see the button, it's on the other side, but I have to press, and then I have around 10 seconds to get into the car and another 10-15 seconds to jump start the car. So I'm pushing the button here. It says getting ready. Yeah, stopped it again. Has already worked, can repeat that over and over. It says finish, and so time to remove everything has done its job. Of course, usually recommended to let it run a little bit longer, but I'm good with that for the moment. So we definitely had a successful start. If the car battery doesn't have enough power, we can use the included USB A to C cable to charge it. You can see, can plug it in. And it shows charging here as well. And of course, for the charge from USB-C, you don't need a wall plug. So you can do that, for example, when you're out in the woods, far away from anything, just stranded in the middle of nowhere. You can charge this conveniently from a power bank, or we can use the included car port charger. You can see we get this red light already here to charge it from another car. Plug it in here, let's see, shows also charging. Yeah, definitely works, but of course like that it needs a little bit more time. So we have 3 possibilities to charge it, usually like that directly on a car battery. Charges in around 5 minutes, and from the car port in about 10 minutes, and with USB-C with PD it will take around 15 minutes. Of course, again, we have to know that the self-discharge is pretty high with supercapacitors. Of course, not only this brand or this model, it's a thing in general, and so we have only around 60% after 1 day. It still shows jump start. Probably would be good for another jump start, but not after a couple of weeks or so, definitely not. Yes, I would say this roar pedal supercapacitor jump starter can provide a total new level of independence regarding jump starting a car. Can work so much more reliable than just a normal lithium powered normal jump starter where you always have to be worried about that it's not fully charged or not working during too hot or too cold weather. So much better here. So I would say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. Could be also a really nice gift for somebody, even for somebody with a perfectly working car battery, because this thing has such a long life expectation because it doesn't have any battery built in. This could last probably for a whole lifetime, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this device or any other supercapacitor jump starter, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.